Trump's shock immigration decision, a controversial turn in the fight over anti-Israel activism. You might want to stay tuned for this. Things are heating up in the realm of US immigration law and free speech rights. Currently, the case of Mahmoud Khalil, an activist who has been vocal in his support for Palestinian issues from Columbia University in New York, continues to dominate headlines. Khalil, who holds a legal permanent residency, found himself entangled in an immigration dispute after being detained due to his activism aligning against US foreign policy. But here's where it gets controversial. A federal immigration judge has ruled that Khalil could be deported, citing the actions of Secretary of State Marco Rubio, who deemed that Khalil's protests are incompatible with American diplomatic interests. Khalil's most recent release from federal detention occurred last month following a court ruling. Interested in hearing more about this? Keep reading. Rep. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez has publicly supported Khalil, emphasizing the importance of his First Amendment rights. However, Mehek Cooke, an attorney, argues that only an immigration judge has the authority to decide Khalil's detention status, suggesting this case involves a complex entanglement of political and legal considerations. But this brings up an important debate. Could freedom of speech ever be at odds with national security? Cooke contends that Khalil's expressions have moved beyond protected speech, potentially threatening the nation's safety. And now for the flip side. The American Civil Liberties Union stands firmly by Khalil, arguing that his detention is a matter of free speech protection. They highlight that no government should imprison someone merely for their opinions. So what do you think? Should these rights be given more precedence over national security concerns? Share your thoughts below. And remember, debates around these critical issues drive the ongoing conversations about the balance of law, freedom, and security.